Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Santa Clarita local and long-distance movers near me. What makes a good moving company when you need to transport your goods across the country or thousands of miles away? We know how to calculate the price of a move, taking all relevant facts into consideration, so our price estimate will be highly accurate. We have affordable prices for any type of move and focus on client satisfaction as a measure of our success. We also know how important it is to be on time for a long-distance move. We will give you a reliable estimate from the very beginning, and we assure you that we will be on time. We take cautionary measures for unexpected situations, while still keeping a tight schedule on every move. If you need to move locally and you don't want to waste time or effort on a DIY move, hiring professionals is your best option. We can handle your move from A to Z. You don't have to lift a finger while we do our job. Need extra services? We offer packing, unpacking, loading, and unloading, even disassembly of furniture. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Santa Clarita moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.